Well, hello everyone. I am here with Gretchen. And Gretchen came to the vision board workshop last week and she shared with me just a few seconds ago her experience. Gretchen, can you please share with us?
So I was at the Friday 3 hour workshop, and what I loved about the workshop is that Nadya was very intentional about specific goals and steps to follow. And when completed, I felt like the whole experience was curated and intentional just for me, even though it was a group effort. So I made a vision board, but I found that the vision board that I made leaked over into my business. As a result of that, I took so much from that vision board and placed it in business um, promotions and various things that I see every day in my business and I can share with other people. So that vision board has gone beyond just my own personal experience, but has kind of leaked over into other aspects of my life. And I thank you for such a wonderful experience. And I really feel like this has illuminated many areas of my life, from personal to business. Thank you.
Yes, welcome, Gretchen. And I'm going to ask you, I know this is our next minute. I'm going to ask you a quick question. You mentioned that you did use Canva, correct?
Yes, I used Canva, and it was only my second time to use Canva. And I played around with it after the workshop. I heard he had downloaded all these pictures and started making videos with Canva for free.
Yeah. So that's
So,
for those who think, oh, the vision board is so much too much. I don't have any magazines anymore. It can be as easy as going to Canva, creating it digitally, and look what you created. You actually created a vision also for your business that became promotion that you also use it on LinkedIn. And it's like, voila, now into the
yes,
action. All right. Thank you, Gretchen, very much for sharing your story.
thank you.